Struggling to manage images on Walmart? Here's how to add or delete them in minutes. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you where to access free Walmart training. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Walmart. And the only way to do that is to conquer Walmart together. Let's dive in. Okay, so there's three different ways to do this. I'm just gonna be showing you all three ways. First, we're gonna go for the first way, which is the easiest, way number one, and that's just to edit your image the regular way and contact Walmart. So what you're going to do is you're just going to go to your seller.walmart.com, go to catalog, and let's say we're updating the image for this item. You're gonna click edit item right here. Once you're in here, you're going to scroll down, and then you're going to see your images, and you're simply going to click manage images and then update your image. So maybe you want this one to be the primary image, or you want to change the first image and delete this one, right? You can add a new image here. So we can browse, and let's say we want to add, let's just see, if it'll show our logo. And we want this to be the main image for some reason, so we change this to the primary image, right? And then we can click submit. So that could be an option, or we want to add a secondary image. Let me actually just put this as the primary image still. And let's just say we updated it and we add this as the last image, and you click submit, and then you click submit again, and then make sure there's no errors. After that, Walmart's going to give you an activity feed ID. Right here it says copy feed ID. You're going to copy that, and then we're going to open up our handy dandy notepad, and we're gonna put that feed ID here, and we're gonna type out what to say to Walmart. So we already updated the listing. We're just assuming the updates aren't going to go through, and we're going to say, hi Walmart, please help me, I'm not typing, update my image on my listing. I tried to add an image, but it didn't work. Activity feed ID is right here. So now they have the activity feed ID. You also want to add the item ID, and we might as well just add the GTIN as well. So that way they have everything they need pretty much. Let's go back a second to get so we already showed you where to get the activity feed ID. To get the item ID, you just click on the item. Here's the item ID. And then the GTIN is right here. Again, you just copy that. Next, you're going to copy all of this, and then you're going to click this little question mark button, and you're going to click contact support. And we're going to contact Walmart, and you're going to give them all the information. You can also attach that new image that you want to be added, and you're going to click next, and then you're going to wait for Walmart's reply, and they're usually going to help you get that pushed through. Way number two is to do a category update sheet, and this is also called an inventory file update. There's multiple ways for it, but pretty much you're going to use an Excel file, and you're going to upload it to update your listings. Sometimes Walmart's going to make you do this anyway, and this is way number two if way number one doesn't work, or you just want to try it and not wait for Walmart to get back to you because they're so damn slow. But anyway, we're going to say not today, Walmart. You're going to go back here, update your items, and you're going to click update with GTINS. And you're going to say if you're Walmart fulfilled or if you're seller fulfilled. This one's seller fulfilled right now, so I'm going to leave like that. I'm going to get my GTIN. I already have it copied from way number one. We're going to paste that in here, and then we're going to click download file. Next, you're going to click go to activity feed. It's going to take you to the downloads. You just refresh the page after 2 minutes, 5 minutes max. It's going to show up right here, and you're going to click that download button. Once you download it, you're going to open up that sheet, and it should be fully filled out just like this. And what we want to do is we want to update the images, right? So we want to add the image. I'm just going to do Control F. I'm typing image, and there it is, the main image. So let's say we're updating the main image URL, right? We want to update the main image. Now to get the URL for this, the best way, or maybe we want to add the seventh image or whatever, but let's just do the main image. So if we want to change the main image, what you're going to do is you're going to go back to your catalog, You're going to click edit again. So you're gonna click edit item, and we're going to scroll all the way back down to the images section. You're gonna click manage images, and we're gonna upload that new image again that we want to be the primary image. Let's say again, we want it to be this, the logo. So we're gonna scroll down, and let's just say this is what we want. So you're gonna right click this, and you're gonna click copy image address. Now, once you copy that image address, you're just gonna put it in another tab to just make sure it works. And you can see it pops up, and it is actually like uploaded to Walmart's cloud temporarily. So you wanna actually use that for your new image URL, because Walmart's going to recognize it and they're going to push that through. So I'm gonna right click, paste it, and now it has that new image. Then I'm gonna click save, 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 save. And now that new image, we have that in there as the new primary image, and it should be pushed through. So we're gonna exit. We're gonna go back to the catalog, update items, update with file, because now we have that completed file. It was actually an update all attributes file. It was seller fulfilled. We're gonna browse it, and then we're just gonna upload the file. It was one of these. You're gonna upload that, and then once you upload it, it's gonna give you another activity feed ID. So it's gonna be, and then you're gonna do the same thing, and you're going to contact Walmart again. Now this is most likely going to work. If it doesn't work, Walmart will have a lot of data now where they can push through the updates. So this is way number 2, and way number 2 works around 90% of the time. Way number 1 works around 50% of the time. And then we have way number 3. And way number 3 is to access brandportal.walmart.com. This is a special access if you are brand registered on Walmart. So what you just do is pretty much go to brandportal.walmart.com. You're gonna click sign in. Once you click sign in, it's gonna connect your seller account. You just have to fill out your trademark if you have a trademark, and then you gain full access to this. And this is where you have access not to regular seller support that's going to help you on Walmart, but you get access to a special support. So you click contact us, brand portal support. And if you are brand approved, they're supposed to push all of your image updates through. So you can contact them, and they're going to help you push it through. You're gonna say the same exact thing, copy that activity feed ID of the inventory file you updated on your seller account, and they're going to help push it through. And this team has much more power, so they do have the ability to push all of your updates through. And for making towards the end of the video, to get free Walmart training, you're just gonna go to Google and you're gonna type in free Walmart seller training, just like that. And then the first thing that comes up is the Seller Academy. And this is made by Walmart. They've updated it recently. It's really good. So go through this training. It has a lot of information like catalog optimization, and it's gonna help you in your Walmart journey. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you conquered Walmart. And if you need any help with Walmart, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. We specialize in Walmart, and our #1 service is we'll come in, we'll manage your Walmart listings, contact Walmart for you, manage your Walmart ads, listing optimization, and much, much more to increase your sales on Walmart. Contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. Link in the description for more. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.